All right, guys, so now we're going to do some replacement values. This is where your calculator saves you. I mean, I just can't even begin to tell you how much your calculator saves you on these things. So let's go ahead and get started and see what we can do with these beginner type problems. So when I see that, I'm going to go ahead and type in the expression exactly as I see it. So that's 4n, open parentheses, n plus 2, close parentheses, and I'm going to raise that to the third power. Okay, then I'm going to go to my next line. The thing you really need to learn is how to use your keyboard to type all this in, because it's a lot faster than trying to click on your screen. So I'm going to check it one more time. I've got 4n, parentheses, n plus 2, close parentheses, raised to the third power, and n equals -8. So as you can see, the answer is, let me make sure I have something to write with. Sorry about that. My answer is 6,912, and it's as easy as carefully putting it in your calculator. That's all you need to do. So that's the first one. Let's go ahead and try the second one. I'm going to clear my calculator, and I'm going to start by typing P, square root, Q minus R. And then I'm going to go to my next line, and I'm going to define my variables, tell my calculator that P is 3. I'm going to go to my next line and tell my calculator that Q equals 17. And I'm going to tell my calculator on the next line that R equals 8. Now, I'm going to make sure I did it correctly. I see that my answer is 9, but let's make sure. It's P square root of Q minus R. I got that. P is 3, Q is 17, and R is 8. So I know that my answer of 9 is correct. Okay, please practice as you watch these videos. That way you can make sure that you are typing everything in correctly. Excuse me. So n squared, and then I'm going to open parentheses, m plus r, close those parentheses, go ahead and go to my next line, and I'm going to define my variables. M is 3. Defining variables means you're telling your calculator what they are. N is 2, and R is 4. So let's check it again and make sure. N squared, open parentheses, m plus r, close parentheses, m equals 3, n equals 2, r equals 4, and as easy as that, your answer is 28. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, next video will be intermediate problems.